Right. Morning. That's much better. Look at that. It's been a couple of days of us just coating this and then leaving it. We took the blue out, and under the blue was some green, and and some parts some white, as you can see. So this Jeep has been blue, it's been white, it's been green. And basically this leaving this, well, that actually, this we found yesterday overnight, has been doing the job pretty nicely. It picks it up, it sits on it and peels it, and then you come in the morning and look at that. That's really interesting. That's the number that was under the paint. So it was the Air Force. Mad, right? Look at that. It's there, perfect. You probably get the number now. Yeah, 7798. Yeah. So, and the wings. I also done that with the wings. So I've got my job cut out for me today. And yeah, see you soon, mates. Have a good weekend. It's Friday. Yes.